Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Immerse yourself in the realm of contemporary learning environments with a showcase of modern study room ideas. The evolution of study spaces transcends traditional boundaries, blending functionality with aesthetic appeal. Witness the emergence of ergonomic features that prioritizes comfort and productivity, ranging from sleek desks to multifunctional storage solution. Embrace the infusion of technology with smart lighting, interactive whiteboards, and innovative storage systems, creating a dynamic and effective study atmosphere. The Decor trends lean towards minimalist design, fostering a clutter-free and focused ambience conducive to learning. Natural light is maximized through strategically placed window and light-colored furnishings, enhancing the overall vibrancy of the study room. Personalization takes center stage, allowing students and professionals alike to curate an inspiring environment that reflects their individual tastes and preferences. Join us in exploring the exciting landscape of modern study room decor ideas, where each element is thoughtfully curated to inspire creativity and consideration. Whether you're a student seeking an efficient study nook or professional requiring a sophisticated home office, our collection offers a diverse range of concepts to transform your study space into a heaven of contemporary productivity and style. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.